5 Best Bathroom Steam Cleaner Reviews. Number 1. Dupre Tosca. The Dupre Tosca Steam Cleaner is the perfect cleaner you can buy right now to have a deep cleaning and remove all the gunk from your tiles. The steam cleaner has quite good reviews for its ability to provide better steam cleaning the floors, tile grouts, upholstery, car interior, and more places in the household. It can reach up to a temperature of 135 degrees Celsius, and it allows you to clean almost every part of your household. You can achieve a much better cleaning with just this one appliance. The Dupre takes significantly less time to warm up. It takes approximately 7 minutes to heat rather than 10 like most cleaners out there. The multipurpose steam cleaner can work for up to 50 minutes, nearly an hour of cleaning. The Dupre comes with a good range of accessories. Number 2. Lambo Handheld Pressurized 9-in-1 Steamer. The Lambo Handheld Pressurized 9-in-1 Steamer Steam Cleaner has some powerful features that make it one of the best handheld steam cleaner. It might be little in size, but its usage is huge. It has got very favorable reviews for cleaning any targeted spots of the household. Lambo weighs only 3 pounds, and its tank can carry nearly 12 ounces of water, 350 milliliters, which can give around 8 minutes of usage at a time. There isn't much that the Lambo can't do. You can steam your couches, deep clean the kitchen counters and appliances, clean the car, and even disinfect your kids' toys. With a maximum power of 1050 W and 3 bars pressure, this small yet mighty bathroom steam cleaner can reach up to a temperature of 110 degrees Celsius to clean and kill the bacteria and germs. The steam cleaner contains a child lock for better safety and also a safety cover. Number 3. Comforday Multipurpose Handheld Steam Cleaner. The Comforday Multipurpose Handheld Pressurized Steam Cleaner has got some handy features. It can quickly adapt to almost any kind of surface and give wonderful results. The Comforday has 1050 watts of power output, can reach a maximum temperature of 270 F. It is enough to disinfect and sanitize any place and remove any dirt or microorganisms. The Comforday has a tank capacity of around 12 ounces and can last up to 20 minutes even after being plugged out. It comes with 9 accessories. It can work on almost any surface such as marbles or tiles, kitchen counters, carpets, couches, beds, mattress, and more. It will last up to 20 minutes, without being plugged in. So you can work without the need of always keeping it plugged in. Number 4. Sienna Steam Birdie Handheld Steam Cleaner. Looking for the best steam cleaner for bathroom tiles? Then the Sienna Steam Birdie Handheld Steam Cleaner is a great steam cleaner to have. It has a lightweight structure. But don't let its look deceive you, as it produces a high amount of power. The Sienna Birdie can produce 1500 watts of power, which is a lot more than most of its competitors on the market. It can produce steam in a very less amount and great for cleaning kitchen, bathroom, stove tops, windows, shower, cars, boats, fabrics, toys and more. As it is very lightweight, you very easily carry it around anywhere in your house and able to clean any spots that need your attention. It includes a hand pump which allows you to produce steam even faster. It is a very handy feature, as it will be saving lots of your valuable time. Number 5. MLMLANT Handheld Pressurized. The MLMLANT might not be the most recognizable brand out there, but it surely has some fantastic bathroom steam cleaner reviews. It is a lightweight bathroom steam cleaner which offers pretty good performance. Coming the ability to produce power up to 1050 watts, the MLMLANT warms up and produces steam within 3 to 4 minutes. It might not be the best for doing and handling heavier workloads, such as removing dirt on curtains, but does a decent job in other cases like cleaning up your bathroom and kitchen. It is not just able to clean up your bathroom but also can make your sofa look like you brought them just yesterday. It comes with 9-piece accessories such as towel sleeve, funnel, vent spray, fabric steamer, and a spray cup.